how to set quick share to no one, contacts only, or everyone on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, scroll down and then tap on connect devices. In here, tap on quick share at the top and then go down to nearby sharing and tap on who can share with you. From here, you can choose no one, contacts only, or everyone. And when you choose everyone, you can select only for 10 minutes, or you can deselect it to have it on all the time. And that's it. After that, tap on the done button to go back to finish, and then tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.